Budgeting is an essential skill that helps you take control of your finances, achieve your financial goals, and reduce stress. For beginners, the idea of budgeting might seem daunting, but it's simpler than it appears. This video will walk you through the basics of budgeting, making it easy for you to start managing your money effectively. Budgeting is not just about restricting your spending, it's about understanding where your money goes and making informed decisions. Here are some key reasons why budgeting is crucial. Financial control. A budget helps you take control of your finances, allowing you to allocate your income towards expenses, savings, and investments. Goal achievement. Whether it's buying a car, saving for a vacation, or building an emergency fund, a budget helps you set and achieve your financial goals. Debt management. Budgeting helps you manage and pay off your debts systematically. Stress reduction. Knowing that you have a plan for your money can significantly reduce financial stress and anxiety. Track your income and expenses. The first step in creating a budget is understanding your financial situation. This involves tracking your income and expenses. Income. List all sources of income, including your salary, freelance work, side hustles, and any other income streams. Expenses. Track your expenses for a month to understand where your money goes. Categorize your expenses into fixed rent, utilities, and variable groceries, entertainment costs. Set financial goals. Setting clear financial goals gives you a purpose for your budget. Your goals can be short-term, saving for a vacation, medium-term, buying a car, or long-term, retirement savings. Having specific, measurable goals will motivate you to stick to your budget. Choose a budgeting method. There are several budgeting methods to choose from. Here are 3 popular ones. 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Zero-based budgeting. Assign every dollar of your income a specific purpose until you reach zero. This method ensures that no money is left unaccounted for. Envelope system. Allocate cash for different spending categories and place it in envelopes. Once the cash in an envelope is spent, you can't spend any more in that category. Create your budget. Now that you have tracked your income and expenses, set your goals, and chosen a budgeting method, it's time to create your budget. Here's a simple example using the 50-30-20 rule. Income. $3,000 per month. Needs 50%, $1,500 rent, utilities, groceries. Wants 30%, $900 dining out, entertainment, shopping. Savings and debt repayment 20%, $600 savings account, student loans. Monitor and adjust your budget. A budget is not a set it and forget it tool. You need to regularly monitor your spending and adjust your budget as necessary. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track your expenses in real time. If you find that you are overspending in a particular category, make adjustments to stay on track. Budgeting tools and apps. Technology can make budgeting easier and more efficient. Here are some popular budgeting tools and apps. Mint, a free app that tracks your expenses, categorizes them, and provides insights into your spending habits. YNAB, You Need a Budget, a paid app that uses the zero-based budgeting method to help you take control of your money. EveryDollar, a simple budgeting app that follows the zero-based budgeting method and offers both free and paid versions. Pocket Guard, an app that shows how much you have left to spend after accounting for bills, goals, and necessities. Tips for successful budgeting. Be realistic. Set realistic and achievable goals. Don't underestimate your expenses or overestimate your income. Prioritize savings. Treat savings as a fixed expense. Pay yourself first by setting aside money for savings before spending on wants. Cut unnecessary expenses. Identify and eliminate expenses that are not essential. This could be dining out less, canceling unused subscriptions, or finding cheaper alternatives. Use cash for variable expenses. Using cash for categories like groceries and entertainment can help you stick to your budget. When the cash is gone, you can't spend any more in that category. Review regularly. Review your budget monthly to see if you are on track. Adjust as necessary to accommodate changes in your income or expenses. Common budgeting mistakes to avoid. Not tracking expenses. Failing to track expenses can lead to overspending and financial stress. Keep a record of all your spending to stay within your budget. Setting unrealistic goals. Setting unattainable goals can be discouraging. Ensure your goals are realistic and achievable. Ignoring irregular expenses. Expenses like car repairs or medical bills can disrupt your budget if you don't plan for them. Set aside a portion of your income for these irregular expenses. Neglecting to adjust the budget. Your financial situation can change, and your budget should reflect that. Regularly review and adjust your budget to stay aligned with your goals. Not including fun. A budget that is too restrictive can be hard to stick to. Allocate some money for fun and leisure activities to make your budget sustainable. The benefits of sticking to a budget. Sticking to a budget offers numerous benefits beyond just financial control. Here are some advantages of maintaining a budget. Financial freedom. Budgeting helps you live within your means, reducing the reliance on credit and loans.